Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A15s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Go to Passes and tap on Plus Pass. Enter Loyalty Program and select Loyalty Program you want to add to your Google Pay account. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's select gift card this time, and similar to loyalty card, select a shop. Now enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. All of your passes will be available in this section. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.